What is up, YouTubers? This is Tueslow. Today is Friday. It's about 8 a.m. and I'm going to be fixing my front bumper. And I want to do something about the massive overspray. I think I'm gonna fix the fogs, but that middle piece, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna tackle it with a flat black on the rail itself. This area right here. Fogs I'm gonna clean up as well. And I also want to fix my bumper, this right here. I have the new one inside my house. I'm taking this sticky stuff off, replacing that, and finally gonna get rid of these pieces of shits. Don't ever buy these. Don't ever buy them. Both of them just got condensation inside of them, and they're just pieces of shits. Oh, and another thing, I didn't even realize. My bumper supports are broken. Both of them. I did not even see that. So I'm gonna try and fix those right now. And let's go ahead and do that. So here's the back of the bumper, and I want to address my grill. The grill is always catching debris, and this part over here, it's always popping off, and it makes my grill look uneven. So what I had in mind was putting some self-tapping screws right here, because it's just not holding in place, this grill, no more. I don't know if this grill was in an accident or is just warped from the sun. I have no idea. I don't want to buy another one because it's pointless. If this one still looks pretty good, there's absolutely no point in buying a new grill. As I was also saying, I was going to change out my side markers to the JDM ones. Here they are. Huge shout out to Brian. Thank you very much for getting me those. I owe you a lot, man. I seriously do, because I was looking for those on eBay and I couldn't find them, and I ended up getting these crappy ones from eBay that get condensation on them really easy. So I don't want those no more. Those are going in the trash. And let's see if I can pop this out. See, only the middle ones on there. This one's already loose. This one's already loose. I don't know why it gets like that. It's ridiculous. I'm just gonna clean all the trash that's here from the highway and whatnot. Just cleaning it up, making sure nothing's on there, and see if I could get it back on. Let's get these metal pieces on there. So I have my self-tapper here, and we're going to get the grill. We're going to drill right here, and it's going to come out to the bottom side of the OEM lip itself, and it's just going to hold on right there, and that's going to prevent this from popping out and this one from popping out always, because this is my problem. I've been having this problem for a while now that keeps popping out, and it gets rather annoying every time I gotta fix it. So let's go ahead and see if I can do this. Alright, there it goes. So that's the idea. I don't need that many, I only need one, which is really fine. As you can see, it penetrated right through, right underneath the grill, which is a really good spot. And see how it lines up to this right here. This is supposed to stop it from popping up and going over like this, but because of the vibration of the road, it always pops off. It's really annoying. So this is probably the easiest solution to do, just to fix the bottom grill piece. And now we're gonna go ahead and tighten this one up. So now we have to do the other side. Basically the same thing we did over here, but on that side, because the grill keeps popping out from both sides. So just go ahead and do that. Might as well just do it now. Next major upgrade is getting these out to go with the JDM ones. These are awesome looking. I love them. Again, thank you, Brian, for getting these for me. I really appreciate it. And if you guys don't know who I'm talking about when I say Brian, I'm posting some pictures right now of his car. He's been to a couple of Celica meets, and I met him from, I think he ended up selling me a driver's side skirt a while back, and I took my Corolla XRs the first time, and that's how we ended up meeting up. And ever since then, we've just been swapping parts back and forth. And really cool guy. Again, thank you very much for getting these side markers for me. Get these out of here. I don't think it should be that hard. There's just two 8mm bolts on the back. I think that's it. Yeah, and if you guys are wondering why I'm doing this on my bed, I just don't have nowhere to work on, and as I said before, I don't want to scratch up the bumper, so I'd rather do it on my bed. And yeah, maybe later on when I get a bigger house or an actual garage workplace where I can work on, I'd do that. But finally, it's out. Throw it away. If anyone wants them, if anyone wants to reseal them, you're more than welcome to grab them. Go ahead and wipe it down. There's some dirt right there. Alright, get that out of the way. And now we're going to go ahead and install side marker. These are seriously incredible. I love them. Love them. I couldn't find these on eBay. I could only find the blacked out ones and the amber ones, and I don't like amber. I don't like amber on this, so we ended up going with the clear corner ones. There they are. Finally, it looks so much better. So there it is. Really amazing look compared to this condensating. Look at that, you can see the water in there. Pieces of shits, man. $5, $10 eBay shit. So next order of business is to address this issue with the rubber seal that's for the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and use my utility knives, box cutters, whatever you want to call them, and pretty much take off all this crap. It's a little bit nerve-wracking, but whatever. I mean, someone has to do it.